Assalamu alaikum students, I hope you all are fine. Students, today we will solve the exercise of unit 2, that is fundamentals of operating system. And first of all, fill in the blanks. The first fill in the blank is operating system is a set of programs containing instructions that coordinate all the activities of the computer. So the valid term is operating system, which is underlined and bold. Second fill in the blank is the main job of operating system is to manage the hardware and software resources of the system. Third, many users can work in a networking environment. Fourth fill in the blank is the operating system acts as a bridge between the user and the computer system. Fifth, DOS was the first widely installed operating system for personal computers. DOS was an operating system and it stands for disk operating system. Sixth fill in the blank is menu contains lists of options on the screen that lead to other screens. We have studied menu driven interfaces for operating systems. So in that we studied that menu contains lists of options on the screen that lead to other screens. Seventh fill in the blank is in GUI interface, user selects commands choices from various menus, buttons and icons using a mouse. GUI stands for graphical user interface, where commands and options they are represented in the form of menus, buttons and icons. Eighth fill in the blank is Microsoft was the first to introduce the idea of an operating system which was named as Windows in November 1985. So this idea of Windows operating system was given in 1985. Ninth fill in the blank is batch operating system requires the operating system to work through a series of programs or tasks in a queue. In Windows, My Documents is the default personal folder for storing data. And last fill in the blank, that is 11th, it says that folder is a named collection of related files that can be retrieved, moved and manipulated as one entity. So these were the fill in the blanks. Question number 2 is select the correct choice for each question. The first MCQs is which of the following is a command driven multi-user and multitasking operating system for servers and desktops developed in 1960s. So the correct answer is Unix, that is option B. Correct options are highlighted with yellow color. Second MCQs is which interface consists of a series of screens to navigate by choosing options from lists, that is menus. So that is menu driven, option C. Third MCQs, it says that by whom the Macintosh computer, often called the Mac, was introduced in 1984. So the correct option is Apple computer, option A. Fourth MCQs says that which of the following is an updated form of Unix operating system. So the correct option is option B, that is Linux, which is the updated form of Unix operating system. Fifth MCQs says that which of the following operating system allows a user to work in a single program at any given time. So that is a single user operating system, that only a single user can operate such type of operating system. Sixth MCQs, which operating system is a multitasking system that is designed to give immediate response to an event? We call it real-time operating system. Option D is the correct option. Seventh MCQ says that in Windows, which folder keeps files that have been deleted, whether accidentally or intentionally? So it's very simple. Recycle bin is the correct option, that is option C. Eighth MCQ says that which program is used to view internet sites or internet pages, means websites. So Internet Explorer is the correct option out of the given options. Ninth MCQ says which of the following is a collection of related information or resources for storing information? So that is file. File is the correct option. 10th MCQ says that which program protects computer from any common viruses and trojans which can be harmful for the system? So that is antivirus. Antivirus is the program which protects our computer system against various threats like viruses and trojans, etc. So this was the exercise of unit 2, that is fundamentals of operating system, and with this unit ends. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe my channel Computer Tuition Academy. Thanks a lot. Take care. Allah Hafiz.